In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me for 2 million views. I'm going to show you all the data inside of my YouTube analytics. So here's an opportunity to see the back end of our channel DMWithKarl and how much YouTube actually pays creators for 2 million views. So let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you some of the numbers. We're going to head inside of our YouTube studio. As we arrive on the dashboard, you'll see there's channel analytics, which is our current subscribers. And there's a summary. Our views are down, our watch time is down, and our revenue is down. It's not very nice seeing red numbers like this, but that does happen every now and then as creators. Here are our top videos in the last 48 hours. And then if we go into our channel analytics, you're going to see all of the data. So it's going to be the data for the last 28 days. So we've got just over 100,000 views. We've got 2.2 thousand watch hours. And we've got 348 subscribers and $383 in revenue in the last 28 days. Let's go back to our lifetime view so you can see how much we get paid for 2 million views. So we've got just over 2 million views, 50,000 watch hours, and just under that 10,000 subscriber mark. And we've earned just over $7,000. So you can see we only monetized in June of 2019. And then if we head over to the revenue, you can see a better breakdown. So our total revenue was 7,000. Our RPM for the channel is $3.20, and that's our revenue per milli. And then our playback based CPM is 8.49. And then you can see our top earning videos and our monthly estimated revenue. Now we're going to head over to the reach tab, and this is my favorite tab inside of YouTube analytics because it shows you the impressions, your click-through rate, which is one of the most important metrics, and then the views you get from that click-through rate that you have achieved. So our click-through rate on the channel averages around 10 to 11%. So it's been really nice to see a good uptick in that click-through rate. Our traffic sources for the channel, YouTube search is the biggest traffic source. You all know that I talk so much about keyword research. And this is really what's allowed us to grow the channel so much and actually get that 2 million views on the channel when we're still quite small in comparison to other YouTube channels. I love the impressions and how they lead to watch time pyramid that YouTube shows us. So there's our 11 million impressions. And then if you hover over here, you can see how much is recommended by YouTube on the watch page and how much is recommended on the home page. And then the rest is viewers seeking your content. There's our click-through rate, which leads to our 1.3 million views from those impressions. Our average watch time is 1 minute and 26 seconds. This is fairly low in comparison to other channels and something that we're working on the channel. But you guys who are still watching the video here are contributing so nicely to our watch time. So thank you very much. And then the watch time from our impressions, which is 30,000 hours. And then you can have a look at your external source. So a lot of our videos rank inside of Google search, which I really love. And that brings us a lot of traffic externally and brings people onto YouTube, which YouTube really loves. And then you can have a look at our YouTube search, which specific keyword terms we are ranking for. And then let's head over to the engagement tab. Now you can see there's our 50,000 watch hours, average watch time, and then key moments for audience retention. This is really interesting to see which of your videos people are watching the most of and which are getting you the best audience retention. This is something that we've really been working on the channel. So it's lovely to be able to see these and understand where people are dropping off in specific videos. So you can see all these little kinks are really important, and you can head in there and have a look at what we did there that lost audience retention. I also like to look at the end of the video and see how many people or what percentage of the audience is still watching at the end. We're aiming to get 50% of our audience still watching at the end of the video. And you can see our top videos according to watch time, top videos according to end screen, top end screen elements, and the top playlists that are playing our videos. And then you can go into the audience. So this is you guys and the information that YouTube gives us about our audience. So we can see when viewers are watching our content the most. And TubeBuddy gives you an amazing tool here. If you guys don't have TubeBuddy yet, go grab yourself a free account by clicking on the link in the description down below. And they give you these recommendations on when to upload your videos according to when most of your audience is on YouTube. So if you release it at the right recommended time, there's much more chance of more of your viewers seeing the video, watching a video, and then YouTube recommending it to more people because they've enjoyed it. They've hit that like button like you guys have already. They've left a comment down below. So if you haven't left a comment on this video just yet, leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you create on your channel because I'm keen to check out your channels. And then the really cool part about the audience tab is it shows you your female male demographic and also the age range of the people watching your videos. Let's head back to the overview and I want to show you guys some cool pointers if you go into more detail. One thing I do want to show you guys is when you are consistent on YouTube, and you can see we've been consistently uploading videos for a long time, you get rewarded. YouTube rewards you for consistently creating content. So if you're battling to grow your YouTube channel, focus more on the process and not the outcome. Enjoy the process of creating videos. I love talking to you guys like I can through this kind of medium, and I love creating these videos for you guys, sharing what I learned, what mistakes I've made on YouTube, and what is actually working right now. And that's the best part about this, is I can share with you guys the journey. I can take you into the back end of YouTube Studio and show you everything that's happening on this channel and what kind of results we are getting. Now, the channel analytics just shows you an overview. If you want to go into a deep dive and really understand the data and use it to grow your YouTube channel, you can click on the See More button and it's going to drill down and give you way more information. Now, I love looking at these graphs because they are color coded and they show you specifically how different videos are doing and which videos are bringing you the most views. So the first panel, we have views, then we have watch time, then we have subscribers, and then your estimated revenue, impressions, and click-through rate. So what I like to do is actually sort these videos by click-through rate to see which of my videos is getting the best click-through rate, and then learn from that and implement that on the videos that are getting a low click-through rate, and implement that on our new videos that we release on the YouTube channel. So you can see our latest video on how to verify your YouTube account has a really good click-through rate, 16%. I'm really chuffed with that. How to change the email, that's an older video, 13%. Super simple video, but it's getting views and it's helping people. Once people want to find their channel URL, they're going to find out how to do that on YouTube search, and YouTube is promoting my video because they think it's the best solution for those people in order to answer their question. And that's really what I want you to take from this video. If you can create videos that answer specific questions for your specific audience, people are going to love you. You're going to start getting more views and getting more subscribers, which means you can actually make more money on your channel. Now I want you to let me know what you think. Do you think $7,000 is enough earnings for 2 million views on YouTube? Do you think it's too low? Do you think it's too much? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I also want you to let me know what kind of videos I can create for you. What kind of questions do you guys want answered? Thanks so much for watching this video, and thanks so much for supporting this channel, and we'll see you in the next video.